You Got a Charger has become one of the latest brain rot memes in 2025. This meme refers to a scene in the 2020 film Body Cam in which Aaron, played by Antonio Jackson, asks a store clerk if he has a charger for his phone.
Bro, you got a charger? My phone dead.
The scene is just a movie scene, just a simple request at a convenience store, and that's exactly what makes it perfect for brain rot edits. In the original scene, Aaron walks into a convenience store and says to the clerk, "Sup bro, you got a charger? My phone dead." And suddenly, this is a brain rot meme. The film Body Cam was released on Tubi on May 18th, 2020, however the scene wouldn't become a full meme until 5 years later. On April 28th, 2025, TikToker Cardi561 shared a video tagged with the hood irony hashtag and added a green screen effect of cockroaches crawling. In the span of 7 months, the video received over 36,000 likes, and this initial edit established the format that would define the meme, taking this ordinary scene and adding bizarre, unsettling, or absurd visual edits that have nothing to do with the original context. It only took the meme one day to transfer over from TikTok to Instagram, and this demonstrated the meme's cross-platform appeal, moving from TikTok to Instagram Reels almost immediately. By September, memes were still being made using this clip. One user simply added running horses, which received over 75,000 likes. But the real explosion of the meme happened in November of 2025, largely thanks to one creator's influence. On November 21st, 2025, TikToker Cookie King shared a meme that used the "You Got a Charger" clip. Cookie King is a famous TikToker, and his involvement gave the meme significant visibility within the brain rot community. That same day, the meme started spawning variations. User I Don't Know Awesome shared a Christmas edition, and over 3 days that video gained over 34,000 likes. Later on, Cookie King uploaded another edition, this time it featured gorillas, and it's these themed versions that demonstrate how the meme has become a template for endless variations.
Dear friend, do you happen to have a charger available at your disposal? My phone appears to be experiencing a battery issue and seems to be deceased.
I'm truly sorry, but unfortunately I am unable to provide you with a charger that you could possibly borrow.
The popularity of You Got a Charger stems from several key factors that make it peak brain rot content. First, it takes a simple movie scene and transforms it into something bizarre. This combination of normal and chaotic creates a humor style that's become the characteristic of Gen Z and Gen Alpha meme culture. Secondly, the scene itself is endlessly repeatable without losing its impact. Unlike memes that rely on novelty, this format works through variations and escalations, with each new version trying to outdo the previous one in terms of absurdity. A new meme can be added to this scene months from now and it could still go viral. And third, the phrase "You got a charger, my phone dead" is universal. Everyone has experienced a dead phone and asking for a charger, making this scene instantly recognizable before it gets wrapped up into something strange. What meme do you want me to explain next? Let me know in the comments down below after you hit the subscribe button.